Susunod nating performer, natuklasan daw niya ang kanyang talent nang minsan niyang mapagkatuwaan ang sariling mukha sa isang salamin.
Ako po si JR Bira, Halmas Ebidensya, 18 years of age. Ngayon po, ang trabaho ko po ay isang boy sa isang store. Sa bawat tingin ko sa salamin, one day, parang na-insecure ako sa face ko, bakit ganito? And pa-change face ako, ma'am. Parang hindi kasi attractive, ma'am. Then, at that time, parang discover ko na may ibang talent pa ako. Check. Magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Parang nararamdaman ko, JR, pag walang salamin, gwapo ka.
JR, isuot mo ulit sa salamin mo.
Si cute eh. Naka-lipstick ka ba?
Lip shiner lang po, ma'am.
Lip shiner. Go, JR.
It's been a long and winding journey, but I'm finally here tonight. I'm picking up the pieces and walking back into the light, into the sunset.
Ang pieces niya, pieces.
My heart and future lies. There's nothing like that feeling when I look into your eyes. My dreams came true when I found you. I found you. My miracle. If you could see what I see, that you're the answer to my prayer. If you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know, it would be clear that angels brought me here. Standing here before you feels like I've been born again. Every breath is your love, every heartbeat speaks your name. My dreams came true right here in front of you. My miracle.
Yan ang tinatawag na interpretive dance.
JR,
Ma'am,
your physical comedy is very good.
thank you, ma'am.
Magaling ka.
Praise the Lord!
JR,
Sir,
ano yung ganun mo kanina?
feces.
Pieces.
While you can really tell a story with your body, it has to be more pronounced yung movements para mas may impact.
Yes, sir. Kasi, sir, medyo raw timing kasi ang LBM ko, sir.
Ano yan?
LBM, sir. Kanina pang umaga. Kanina nga.
Paano yung LBMP?
Masama pakiramdam mo ngayon.
Slide po, ma'am.
Baka bumigay.
No, in all fairness talaga, very much like Vong. Yung ano, di ba? Oh.
Vong Revilla.
Oh. Let's vote.
Okay, it's a yes for me.
Walang duda, napaseha mo ako dahil dun sa
True.
true at
Peace.
this. Sa akin, it's a yes.
Thank you, sir.
Ako nang dahil sa lip shine. Hindi ko na makakalimutan si lip shine. Yes!
Salamat po.
What is lip shine nga ba, Lois?
Lip gloss. Sa Tagalog, pampakintab ng labi.
Basta ang alam ko, ang pieces ay throw to the next round.
Sok pa.
Huwag mo akong takutin.
Uy, anyayari? Tutok lang dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent.
Pilipinas Got Talent.